Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, ushibase. You know what guys, we just need to be honest. There's some things that you need to be honest with yourself and ask yourself, ukuthi, do you think you will be able to overcome certain things a person has done? And there's some things you need to be honest to, ukuthi, guys, you cannot overcome them, because I think that's the situation that Umayeni is in, you guys. She cannot seem to forgive Musa for the way he's treated her over the years, and get back, she's only, or it's seeming like she's only coming to that realization now that she's in marriage, ukuthi hayibo kuningi, you guys. So we find out in this latest episode, ukuthi guys, isizathu for Umayeni to leave kwa Mzumbe is because of Umakhumalo. Well, not that Umakhumalo did something, but anyway, Musa Chaza, Musa says that, listen, me and Ushibase were having an argument or disagreement regarding one of the cars. He did not go into details what regarding one of the cars, but he decided to refer Mayeni to Umakhumalo ukuthi she must go and speak to Umakhumalo regarding that. And that's when Umayeni decided to pack her stuff and leave. I kind of get it, because do you understand? Like, if I'm having, it's similar to the thing of where they were having a discussion on the table. Umayeni is asking Musa a question, and he's busy referring to Umatsele, saying he has an agreement with Umatsele, so he can't tell Umayeni. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's kind of like I'm having a conversation with you, and I need answers from you. So why are you referring me to someone else? And Musa was saying, the only reason why he referred her to Makhumalo, because some certain things are better solved by speaking to the person who can help you than coming to Musa, because the response or the resolving of whatever it is going to be longer by coming through him. But I just kind of feel like she kind of maybe feels ingathi Musa doesn't give her indawo yakhe anymore. My question is, guys, does Musa really have a problem with the fact that Umayeni is gone? Because I'm just asking myself, if she's been gone for so long, why hasn't he even at least went to Umayeni's house or family to go and fetch his wife? But then again, Gesiyamazi Ushibase nenkani yakhe, guys, she listen when she says Utarafuni, you better listen to her, because it looks like uzophuma impama laphayana. But I feel like he should have tried to do that. The fact that he's just sitting back and whatnot, unless he also feels that if he goes kwayeni, the family has something against him, because Umayeni also says, you guys, I feel like mina ngidinga a cleansing of some sort, uzokhuluma nomndenami, because izinto that you've done to me over these years are too much. I'm just like, Mayeni, my dear. Yes, guys, I understand which momdala, like divorce is like, people don't divorce, or people buy in a sense to divorce when they're old, but to live under such misery, I feel like Umayeni, it's like she jokes a lot and she laughs a lot and she seems as if she's happy, but I feel like she's just sweeping all of these things underneath the carpet, and not that she's over them. I feel like there's so many layers, Umbali, Umatsele, there's many things that she can count about how this man has ill-treated her. And I'm just like, ma'am, I don't know, maybe you're going to have to reconsider whether you really want to stay in this marriage or not. But in that diary session, when Musa asked her, she says, so I don't know how to interpret that, because it doesn't give me the vibes Umayeni left so that she can get fresh air. I feel like she left because she's reconsidering her life decision by getting married to this man. But she left her children there. I don't know, guys, ukuthi bazoyiresolve kanjani, because Umayeni is at that point, when you're at that point nendoda, where even if uzama ukuxolisa, like awumuza lo sorry wakhe, like you've heard every excuse in the book, so it's like I don't see Musa being capable of doing anything else that is going to heal Ushibase at this point. I think Ushibase needs to continue going to her therapy sessions, you guys, and she needs to decide if she really wants to stay in this. If she really wants to stay in this, guys, she needs to accept it because Lando izomudla kancane kancane, guys. Guys, niyazazi izifo ukuthi ezinye izifo they are due to unforgiveness. Hayi ukuthi awudli kahle, hayi ukuthi awujimi. They're due to unforgiveness and harboring grudge. So, guys, I know Umusa has put her through things, but she's the one who said yes to Umusa. So she needs to decide, is she staying, is she leaving, or what does she want out of this union, you guys, out of this marriage? Because this is not Umjono, indeed. This is marriage we are talking about. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.